and sell in the month of June 2025. My colleague Somit is now joining us to give us all the details that you need to know about. Somit, good morning.
Well, if you look at in the month of June, mutual funds have deployed close to around 25,470 crore rupees. This amount is slightly lower compared to what we had seen in the previous month, but that is largely because of NFOs. Ex-NFOs, the net flows stood at close to 23,820 crore as against 22,990 crore that we had seen in the previous month. Now, if you look at sector-wise data, mutual funds have added exposure in sectors like consumer discretionary, healthcare, telecom and media, while they have reduced exposure in auto ancillary and consumer staples and IT as well. Now, if you look at the cash levels, that has come down sharply from 5.4% in the previous month, that is May, to around 4.7% that we are seeing currently in the month of June. Now, if you look at stock-wise data, among large caps, mutual funds have added exposure when it comes to names like SBI and NTPC. In fact, both these names have been a buy for the second consecutive month. Coal India has been a sell for a second consecutive month, while IndusInd, Industars and ITC were a buy for a previous month. However, they have been among the top 5 sells for mutual funds in the month of June. Now, if you look at the mid-cap stocks, there VMart and Suzlon have been a buy for second consecutive month for mutual funds. AB Capital, that is Aditya Birla Capital, now share prices were up 24% in the month of June. And now we know why, because it was among the top 5 buys for mutual fund in the month of June. Now, among the sell side, if you look at Canara Bank, NHPC, NMDC have been sell for second consecutive month, while IDFC First Bank, which is a top sell for the month of June, was one of the top buys in the month of May for mutual funds currently. Now, if you look at the small cap indices, there Ujjivan Small Finance Bank and RBL Bank have been a buy for second consecutive month. Capri Global and Ujjivan Small Finance share prices were up 14%, and one of the reason was that it was among the top buys for mutual funds in the month of June. Among the sell side, if you look at Paradeep Phosphat has been a sell for second consecutive month, and Orient Cement and SpiceJet share prices were down anywhere between 12% to 31%. And now we know one of the major reason behind this was that the selling that we had seen from mutual funds in the month of June.